layout, and today it's a 2-pager for 2-page Tuesday. So I am using these background papers, this background paper of the black scattered dots that is from Vicki Boutin's Storyteller 12 by 12 pad. And these are some pictures of my grandsons helping Grandpa build a desk. So I'm going to take all of the vertical orientation or portrait orientation photos. I'm going to mount those on this background or this mat of burgundy paper. That again is from the Vicki Boutin Storyteller 12 by 12 pad. I'll just do that. And so I have 3 on the right side and 2 on the left. And then I realized, oops, I was going to mount those in the wrong order. I have them kind of in a timeline of how things happened. Not completely, but pretty close. I think that second photo could go somewhere else, but anyway, close enough. Okay, so now I have those done, and then I have 2 horizontal photos as well that I'll mount kind of down there. I want those to be at the join. And what I want to do is I want to have a color pop, because right now it's fairly dark. So I'm going to take this bright green paper, which is, again, actually I think this one is from, I was going to say it's Storyteller. I believe this one is actually from the Kaleidoscope 12 by 12 pad. Pretty sure this is not Storyteller. And I'm taking that Martha Stewart punch. It's kind of well, it is an edge punch. Yes, that is an edge punch. And I'm just going to cut a strip of that. And again, that's really just a pop. One of my grandsons happens to be wearing a shirt in that color. But more importantly, I just wanted something bright on the layout, because right now it's pretty dark. And it's a sweet story because they're building a desk. And actually this was a present for one of their grandmas, a Christmas present for one of their grandmas, so they're helping construct that, which I thought was really sweet. Okay, so I don't need more than one of these borders because I'm only using a little bit on each side. Well, I'm not using a full 12-inch on each side, so it just kind of made sense for me to cut that apart instead of, doing 2 of them. That wouldn't make any sense at all. So now I'm just trying to decide. I'm going to add that in the photos back in, and I'm going to overlap them a little bit over the photos above them as well. So I'll get that done. Just getting some stuff glued down here. And then I think one of the photos was showing over the edge, so I just cut that. One of the things I love about the Vicki Boutin 12 by 12 pads is they print on both sides of those pads. So even if one of the sides isn't your favorite, you have the other side. And I don't know that there's many other, certainly American Crafts 12 by 12 pads that do that. So I really appreciate that about Vicki Boutin's collections. So now I'm going to go through, and I want to find some kind of journaling card here. So I'm going to kind of play around with it. I'm liking the one that I have there, but I'm not loving it. So then I find that little scrap of a cut apart from the Kaleidoscope 12 by 12 pad and decide I really like that one because, again, it's brighter. So it's going to really pop this whole layout. I did take a die cut piece there from the Vicki Boutin Storyteller collection and put it up on the left there, the Making Today count. I'm just going over some of the pieces I have to figure out what I can use, how I can make this work, because they're building a desk and I don't have any embellishments, though I guess those are accessories to some point, embellishments for, construction and that kind of stuff. I'm sure they are out there. I just didn't have them for this particular layout. So one of the things about this collection is there are a lot of flowers in it. So I was trying to be careful. I did find this awesome die cut from the Storyteller collection. They're called embellishments, just the embellishments. And it's just not long enough to appear in places that I want it to, I guess. So I'm kind of playing around with what else I can do here with some of these embellishments. And then as I'm looking, I find this chipboard ruler that's a lot longer. So I'm going to add that into the bottom of both of these. And what I'll do is I just cut it at the 5-inch mark on this particular ruler. And now that's on both sides. So I really like that because that is a little bit of a, you know, a building kind of thing. And that is the Storyteller Tell Your Story thickers. Then I'm going to add these hearts from the Vicki Boutin Storyteller stickers. And then that phrase sticker also came from the Vicki Boutin Storyteller stickers as well, the one that says fantastic. That's one of them anyway. So I am adding some foam tape behind that heart right there just because it's up on chipboard. So trying to decide where that heart's going to go. I was going to put it on the other side of at the top on the cut apart, but then I decided that I would put it up here on the photos just to give it a little bit more punch. And then I added this phrase sticker that says, enjoy every moment, because they do love, love, love working with Grandpa. And he's so good about helping them. Like he'll you know, he teaches them to cook. He brings them in on projects like this, or they help him when he's doing some of the gardening work around the house. It's just really cool how he involves the kids in the projects. And you know, that's just what he does. So I wanted this to say building Grandma's desk. And I'm going to take these gold foam thickers. They're the Ann thickers. I don't even remember what collection this is. And I'm putting these down as I'm doing this. I know that Grandma's desk is not going to fit. But I kept doing it anyway, even though I knew Grandma's was not going to fit there. So I'm going to just title it Building the Desk instead, and then just talk about how they were helping build Grandma's desk. And right there, I was looking for the date on these to see if I could find it. So I'll get these down. I love these thickers. They're just a gold foil. And there's little gold accents in all those hearts, so that's why I chose a gold alpha. Plus, I think it's a nice foil. No pun intended there, but a nice foil against the black background. I did put a little phrase sticker, by the way, on the bottom heart that says spreading the sunshine, or spread sunshine, just because they're doing this for Grandma. Then I am adding these enamel dots from Altenew. They are the seashore color. And loving how those look. Just adding, again, another punch of color to this layout. All right. And guys, if you're interested in more 2-page layouts, I do have a playlist for 2-Page Tuesday as well. There's the still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you're all well, and I'll be back with another layout again soon. Bye, everybody.